Good afternoon, citizens of Confusion. I, Governor Neff, have called this town meeting in regards to a recent proposal given to my office as a result of our recent landmark approval of gambling. The proposal sent by the Stand For Gambling Committee has paved the way of the approval of a new casino in our great state. I have assembled both local and national officials to answer questions and explain how we will proceed with construction. Now to kickstart the meeting, I will turn it over to the City Manager of Inundated City.
Hello, I'm the City Manager of Inundated City, Joseph Clark. During the fiscal year of 2015 and 2016, the State of Confusion plans to build an MGM-style casino with many features in Inundated City. The project will cost an estimated $400 million for the capital budget. This includes both land acquisition and eminent domain processes, as well as building and expanding on current roads. This map shows the State of Confusion. Where the red star is located in Inundated City, that's where we plan to build the new casino in the waterfront district of Inundated City. In addition, Deluge County and the State of Confusion have agreed to expand the highway labeled Road to Ruin between the two red lines so that it can accommodate the increased traffic and higher tourism rate needed to support having a casino in Inundated City at the end of the Road to Ruin. This new casino brings many benefits to Inundated City. In addition to generating tourism and our hospitality economy, it will also attract a variety of local, national, and state businesses to the area. In addition, hosting this new casino in our waterfront district will bring these new businesses specifically to this district and allow us to revitalize the district with new property, updated features, and just a whole entire beautification process. Even though I talked about bringing new businesses to the area, the new tourism will definitely bring an infusion of money to our local businesses as well as we bring new customers to the area.
Hi, I'm Roland Shamden, the County Executive of Deluge County. I am here to discuss the benefits this casino will have on the County of Deluge. With this casino coming right next door to our county, it will benefit us in many ways such as 1. Generate tax revenue. 2. Improve and expand our highways and also bring in toll roads, which will be in addition to our revenue and help pay for the highway expansion. 3. It will also attract major corporations to build hotels in Deluge County. And 4. Offer more employment opportunities for residents in both Inundated City and Deluge County. As far as the highway and toll roads go, with the casino coming right next door to our county and making Deluge County roadways the only way to enter and exit the casino, it would only make sense to expand the highway and develop a toll road.
My name is Khalid, and I'm the Senator for the State of Confusion, and I'll be discussing the benefits we would get from the plan. The profit goes to the State Education Fund, and it would bring 5,500 jobs to the state with both competitive salary and healthcare, and it would attract new businesses to the state while attracting new customers to local businesses. And it would also bring some employment opportunities as it could promote new jobs in the area as the project expands and finishes. This plan wouldn't be a complete success without the approval and satisfaction of the state and community, so it's important to take into consideration what the public addresses regarding making any changes along the way.
We have elected to use the waterfront district of Inundated City to establish this new casino. In addition, we'll have this space rezoned so that it can be used for commercial and hospitality uses, such as hotels, restaurants, unique shopping options, and the casino itself. This will bring new business to the area while giving local business entrepreneurs space to grow. In addition, we will use eminent domain if necessary to remove older buildings and unsavory spaces so that we can revitalize the waterfront district and make it a family-friendly location for tourism and for locals to enjoy their community.
With major corporations moving into Duluth County to develop hotels, it would create more jobs and also bring in a higher dollar amount from the property tax coming from the new developed hotels.
The projected timeline for this project has us completing it by fiscal year 2020 if we can start this year. This is a 4-phase operation. We're going to start in phase 1 with the rezoning and architecture plans being completed by mid-2016. During phase 2, we're going to break ground in both the casino and highway expansion by fiscal year 2017. During phase 3, the highway expansion will be completed by fiscal year 2019, and then finally in phase 4, our casino construction is completed by fiscal year 2020.
Good afternoon. My name is Joshua King, and I am the Chief Financial Officer for the State of Confusion. Previously, you've all heard about the great ideas for the new casino and the benefits that will come at its completion. We will now discuss how we will pay for our project using our capital and operating budget. First, our city received an AAA rating from Moody's. Our AAA rating allowed us to acquire a 2.9% interest rate for a 40-year general obligation bond. We will also use a private-public partnership with Donald Trump to finance our project with revenue bonds. Finally, the new casino will raise the property value in the city, which will increase the tax revenue. Now we'll talk about the operating budget. The operating budget will be $10 million for the next 40 years. This covers the operating costs, capital costs, debt repayment, and personnel expenses. The payments will be made quarterly and surpluses will be added annually. The graph below shows the breakdown and the expense percentages for our operating budget. Our expense budget will cover all costs to include labor, raw materials, utilities, and overhead. Lastly, the new casino will generate new tax revenue for our state and local government. State and local governments nationwide generally gross about $4 billion a year in casino tax revenue. With that money, it will help fund education, public safety, housing, and other healthcare benefits.
So I'm going to start to close the meeting right now. I would like to thank all the citizens and officials who took the time to participate in this meeting. If you have any concerns, you would like me to hear your voice, and I want to hear it. Please contact my office with any of these concerns. Your local representatives will be conducting smaller town hall meetings as well to explain the project. As usual, have a great day.